Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be cooking steak quesadillas, so just keep watching. It's going to be real quick. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so we about to be making these steak quesadillas. All the things you're gonna need is steak, the seasoned kind, the good stuff, the cream cheese, jalapenos, damn it's moving fast, cheese, and then of course tortillas, an onion, and some butter. First we're gonna cut up the onion, dice them up real small, throw them in the bowl. Then we're gonna cut up our jalapenos, cut them up real small, throw those in a bowl. We're gonna put them to... Okay, so now that we're done cutting up the vegetables and cutting up the jalapenos for the jalapeno sauce, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our beef. Steak or whatever. Gotta get this stove right. We're gonna cook the steak in this pan. Alright, now we're gonna put some oil in our pan. We're gonna cook our steak. Yes, I got oil in the bowl on the side of my counter. I don't care. Throw the steak up in there. We're gonna season it up a little bit more because the seasoning that's in it ain't enough. We're gonna put chili powder because we want it to be spicy and some burger seasoning. We're gonna put a little minced garlic and some olive oil. Let it cook a little bit. Then we're gonna add some chicken broth up in there. Then we're gonna add a little sriracha because I like my stuff spicy. You know, sriracha got that little spice to it. So we're gonna stir it up, let it cook, but not too long because we don't want it to be tough. Put it in a bowl, boom. Okay, so I got the steak, the meat, or whatever. Gotta make sure some juice up in there. That juice right there at the bottom. Now we're gonna cook the sauce that's gonna go over the meat in the quesadilla thing. Now we're gonna make the jalapeno sauce. We're gonna put the onions up in there. Not too much of the jalapenos because the flavor will go away the longer you cook them. So first we're gonna cook the onions a little bit. Then we're gonna throw some butter up in there. And get the butter, get the sizzling, yeah, We're gonna mix that up, let it sizzle, slap your mama some lemon pepper. We're gonna let that sizzle down, let it cook. Then we're gonna throw our jalapenos in there. We're gonna let it cook for a long time because we're making jalapeno sauce. So we're gonna let this cook all the way down. We're gonna add a little chicken broth, get them jalapenos soft, everything soft. And we're gonna cut up that steak in smaller pieces. Then we're gonna go back and stir that up. You see how the grease is starting to change color? That's what we need. Then we're gonna add some minced garlic up in there. We're gonna mince it up a little bit. Add a little flour because we want the sauce to be thick. And we're gonna add some more butter, some cream cheese, mix that up a little bit, add some heavy whipping cream. We're gonna make it kind of like Alfredo sauce. So we added some milk, heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna stir that, let it cook down, add some Parmesan, add some grated Parmesan and some Italian seasoning and keep stirring. Let it cook down. We're gonna add some pickled jalapenos up in there, the ones from the jar. Then it's all done, boom. Jalapeno sauce done. Nice and hot. Now we just gotta cook these. We got our tortillas. We're making 6 quesadillas, so you gotta make sure they're soft. Then you're gonna add the cheese, the quesadilla cheese, the steak, the sauce. Then we add the Colby Jack cheese. And then we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Quesadilla, cheese, microwave it for 30 seconds, and then fold them, boom. Throw them in a pan with some oil, let them get crispy, let that cheese melt, flip them, smash them down a little bit to flatten them, get the cheese melted. Then we're gonna take them out. They're ready. Don't mind the setup, these were really good. I'm gonna do a little taste test. Okay, y'all need to get a new tripod. But that's all I got for y'all today. The food was so mother effing good, y'all. Like, I'm really a chef. I does this. That's pretty much it for the rest of the video. Comment anything you want to see down below. I'm gonna be posting pretty much everything. Oh yeah, also, I have a surprise. I'm gonna be moving soon, but I'm not gonna really officially announce it until it comes, but I'm gonna be getting the fuck out of here. See y'all later. No offense to the real bitches that's really trying to make it. It ain't many ways to get the dough, you chase it or take it. Bitches millionaires off being naked, millionaires off being taken. I'ma get the clout and start a business, I'ma really make it. While I'm dropping music, I'm a business and they really hate